Hi everyone, today I'm here to do the little Buzz Lightyear draw that I was running. I am a few days late, my apologies. I've just been really busy just getting my little girl back to school and just, yeah, life gets in the way sometimes. So anyway, I'm here today to do the draw. Before I do the draw, I wasn't going to do a competition unboxing this month because I hadn't won anything. And I don't actually have anything physical to share with you, but I thought I'd tell you about what happened. So on the last day of the month, literally the 31st of August, I won 2 prizes. So that was a pleasant surprise when I hadn't won anything all month. And so the first competition was hosted by Cult Furniture and it was on Instagram, and they had collaborated with another company to give away a prize. And the prize was a £100 voucher to spend at Cult Furniture and £100 to spend at the partner website, which is called The Stem, and that's all lovely plants. So that was a really nice win. And there's loads of gorgeous stuff on the Cult Furniture website, you know, home decor and everything, which I was really tempted by, but I thought I was going to be sensible. And my computer chair is just awful and it creaks and it's not very comfortable. So I got myself a new computer chair, which is arriving later today. And I'll just pop a picture of the chair from the website in here. And then from the Stem, I haven't ordered anything yet, because there's a hydrangea plant on there that I'd really love, but because it's now September, I'm not sure how to care for it. I'm not very good at plant care, and I know it's, you know, a spring and summer plant, so I'm not sure what to do. You can buy indoor plants on there and plant pots, which is another option, but I just really like that plant. But the voucher expires in December, so I don't know whether to contact the company and ask whether they could, if I buy one now, if they could dispatch it out in the spring. I'm not sure, so I'm going to have a think about that. But there's some lovely plants and gifts for people who are green fingered on there as well. So I will put the link to both of those companies in the description box below, so you can go and take a look if you want to. And then the other prize I won was also a £100 spend, and that was for a company called Aylesbury Bullion. Now, I don't live too far from Aylesbury, but not close enough that I go there regularly, so it's about a 40-minute drive. So they asked if I wanted to come in and pick something from the shop, but I said to them, could I pick something off the website and have it posted to me? And they're more than happy to do that. So that's what I'll be doing. I'll pick a nice piece of jewellery and have it posted to me. But again, I haven't decided what I want yet. So yeah, that was really great. I'd won nothing all month, and then £300 worth of prizes on the last day, so I was super chuffed with that. Okay, so let's get this little draw done. So I had 5 people comment that they wanted to be entered. So I've just put everybody's names onto these sticky notes. Then I'm going to pop them in, give them a good shake, and then pick one out. I thought because there's only 5 numbers, it'd be better to just do it in the traditional way rather than doing a random number generator. That. That. Okay, so give that a really good shake. Sequins just dropped out that was in there before. Okay, and then I'm just going to pick one out and let's see. So Diane Cross Crafts has won. I think I've got your address, Diane. I think I have. I'll have to check. If not, I'll drop you an email. I'm sure I'll be able to get your email off your page. So yeah, that's it. Congratulations, Diane, and thank you for watching, everyone. I hope you liked this little video. If you did, please give it a like, and don't forget to subscribe if you don't already do so. Bye.